Big blizzard. What do you see?
Snow.
How much?
A lot.
See, look at the Jeep. Can you even walk out there?
It's like up to you.
It's gonna be nuts.
I'm trying onto
Your car.
Look at the wind, what is it to it? Look at Rob's car across the street, you can't even see it.
Where is it?
It's like totally gone.
Not even there.
That little hump by the garbage.
That's the trailer we have.
No, that's his car, the trailer in front of it. Wowzers.
Why was our car not covered?
That is nuts.
That is the trailer.
Right to the top, keep going. Wait, you're gonna get your pants stuck. Stand to the top step. No, here. Oh, Cole, here, go ahead. Okay. Alright, Cole, right to the top. Watch out, JJ. Very slow.